Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back. I am starting a series for self-growth from scratch. This is episode number 1. Let's dive in. We're going to start with Know Yourself Better. Knowing yourself simply means understanding who you are, what you like and dislike, your strengths and weaknesses, and what's important to you. It's about being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and motivations, which helps you make better choices and live a more authentic and fulfilling life. The goal is not to criticize yourself, it's to recognize the different parts of yourself, both the good and the bad. That's why you must be honest and willing to open yourself up to whatever you may learn. From that, you can begin to make adjustments to improve yourself. Most people go through their whole life on autopilot. They react without thinking. They make choices without questioning. They live by habits they never chose. And then one day they wonder, how did I end up here? That's not your fault. Nobody taught us how to know ourselves. But today, that changes. Now, I want you actually to do something. Grab a notebook or just your phone notes and answer these questions honestly. No one is going to read this but you. 1. What are my strengths? 2. What are my short-term goals? Long-term goals? 3. Who matters most to me? Who are my support people? So these are only the basic questions. For more questions, check out the link in the description. Just write whatever comes. Don't overthink it. You have a whole 1 week to answer all these questions. This is your first mirror moment, and it takes courage to look. Awareness is not the finish line, it's the starting point, and you just took your first step. In episode 2, we're going deeper. We'll talk about why you are the way you are, and it will make so many things make sense. I'll see you next Thursday. Till then, know yourself until then. Answer these questions. You're just beginning.